Alright, well, right now it's about 1 in the morning on Sunday, and this is the final result. I think we got about 20 inches of snow. Wow. The only thing I can hear right now is an airplane flying over. It is completely quiet out here. And usually I can hear the traffic out on the streets, but right now it's completely still. So, okay, well, I don't know what that was. A horn. It's funny. As soon as I say that, here goes some weird noise. Anyway, 20 inches of snow. Wow, look at all that. Ooh, it's cold out here. So there you go. The blizzard of 2009. Okay, I'm getting cold. So I'm going back inside. Later, guys.